Most business owners think a website is just something you make to look professional. But in 2025, a website is not about looking good. It's about getting found and winning trust fast. There are over 2 billion websites in the world. So, how does someone new find theirs? Well, first, we need some facts. 76% of people will Google a business before ever messaging them. And if they can't find your website, they'll often move on to someone else. I don't care what you sell. If you want more clients and you aren't running ads, you need a website that ranks in Google. But don't worry, I'm going to teach you how. First, let me show you why you need a website. Your website is not a digital flyer. It's your 24/7 salesman. A good one tells 3 things about your business within the first 5 seconds. Tell them what you do, show them who it's for, and give them a clear way to contact you instantly. That could be a messages on WhatsApp button, a simple form, or a phone number. If visitors have to scroll or guess, they're gone. Studies show that first impressions are made in 0.5 seconds, and design plays a major role in trust. So your homepage should be simple, fast, mobile, friendly, and distraction-free. But what about social media? Is a website really necessary? Well, listen to this. Even if you get most of your clients from Instagram or Facebook, people still search for you online. And here's the problem. If you don't have a website, your social pages might not even appear in the top results. A website gives Google something to index, something with structure, keywords, and location info. And when it's connected to your Google business profile, it increases your chances of ranking in the map section where most local customers look. For example, if someone searches salon near me or plumber in Berlin, Google shows 3 map listings. First, this is called the local pack. You want your business to be there. This is where local SEO comes in. And it is not complicated at all. Local SEO means optimizing your online presence so Google knows where you're located, what services you offer, and who you help. To do that, your website needs your city or area name on key pages like your homepage and service pages, a consistent business name, address, and phone number, a connected Google business profile with a link to your website, and real customer reviews that mention your service and city. You don't need hundreds of backlinks or blog posts. You just need to make it clear that you're a trusted business in your area. And the best part, this type of SEO works, even if your audience is small, because it's not about viral traffic. It's about people already searching for what you offer. Next, let me show you how to build a website that works for your business. You only need 3 things: a fast, secure hosting platform, a good domain name, and a clear, simple homepage layout. I personally recommend Host because they offer fast hosting and an easy-to-use AI website builder called Horizon, perfect for beginners. No code, no confusion. Now here is a surprise for you. Go to the pinned comment and grab your 20% discount link for hosting. If you want my team to build your website, just send me an email. Your customers are searching for you. If they can't find a website, they'll assume you're not established, or worse, not active. If you want a simple website that brings in real leads from Google and builds instant trust with your audience, you now know exactly what to include and how local SEO helps you get found. In part 2, I'll show you how to build your business website with Hosting or Horizon. Check my LinkedIn link in bio to get a free consultancy. Subscribe to my channel to get updated and grow your business online. Until next time,